Good morning, guys. It's a lovely morning. Today is Wednesday, 20th May 2026. And this is what we are looking at yesterday. This is a recap of yesterday's trade analysis. So we were looking for potential buys above this area, above this level here. We never got we got a candle closing above. Let me remove this. Let me remove this alert here. So we got a candle closing above our level here, but I didn't. The candle had no momentum. Like I said, I didn't like how it closed above the level here. Just closed up just above, just a few pips above the level. So we had no momentum here. So the confidence level in taking this buy was less than 50. So I didn't take a buy here. So I didn't take a buy here. We didn't get a buy. For the sales, we're looking for potential sales below this level here. We got a few weeks crossing below our level, but the only candle that closed below our level is this one. You can see the momentum, the candle closed to it. The level was here, the candle closed all the way down here. This was some bearish momentum here. This gave me some I remember as I was doing this analysis yesterday, I told you if a candle closes below this level here with good bearish momentum and closes below this wick here, that would boost my confidence level in taking the sell, and that's what happened. You can see the low on this candle here, the lowest, the low point on this wick here was what was the low? 4531.085. That was the low. This candle closed at 4530.89, just below. It goes below this week. So that was my signal there. That boosted my confidence in taking this trade here. So once this candle closed below here, below our level here, I placed my sell limit here, my stop loss just above this resistance here. You see, this is where my stop loss was. A risk to reward ratio of 3.97. Meaning if I was risking $100, I was risking $100 for $300, $390. Okay, so that's how I took the trade. I placed my sell limit here. It was activated by this candle here. The candle opened here, tried to push down, then pushed up, activated my sell limit. Next candle came, so the high of the previous candle. That was a liquidity sweep there. So up the high of the previous candle, and then pushed down, all the way down, and we hit our TP1, 2, and 3. Our TP3 was hit at around 4:30 p.m. Okay, so that's how I took that trade. That was the ninth trade we have executed this month, and out of the 9 trades we have executed this month, we've won how many? 6. We've won 6 trades. Our stop loss has only been hit 3 times since the beginning of the month out of the 9 trades we have executed. Okay, so now real quick, let's see what we have today. What are we expecting? What do we have on the news today? Today is on Wednesday, and Tuesday. On Wednesday, anything high impact on the USD, FOMC, member polls speaks, nothing high impact on the USD. The only high impact data coming out today on the USD is at 9 p.m. and that is the FOMC meeting minutes. So watch out if you're in a trade at around this time, around 8:30, 8:45 thereabout. you could close your trade, your entire trade. You could move your stop loss to break even, or move your stop loss to into profit. Okay, or just stay out of the market completely at this time at 9 p.m. Okay, so that's what we expect today. That's the only high impact news we expect today on the USD. Unless Trump makes a statement regarding the war on Iran, or Iran makes a statement that could cause spikes in price. Okay, so real quick, let's jump into today's analysis. This was yesterday's trade. So we're going to remove everything here and start afresh. We remove everything, start our analysis afresh. As always, we start our analysis on the 1 month, our top-down analysis. As I said, that's how my system works. We depend on no signals, no indicators. The only indicators, the candlesticks are our warning indicators. Every candle tells a story. That's what I always say. So our resistance is there, our support is down there. On the weekly, we have a support here. We have an internal resistance here, and be mindful of this one. This is external resistance on the weekly. Okay, so on the daily is what you're looking at. We had this break of structure here. So on the daily, we have that high there, and the low just here. That's on the daily. This candle, that's on the daily. This is the active candle, today's candle. Okay, that's what you have on the daily. Jump down to 4 hours. On 4 hours is what you're looking at. We had this break of structure here on 4 hours. Allow me to adjust this one. On 4 hours, these are 4 hour support here. On 4 hours, I like to use the bodies, not the wicks, where the body ends, not the wicks. That's our support there on the 4 hours. And here we have our 4 hour resistance there. Okay, so on then we jump to 1 hour. On 1 hour, same place on the 1 hour. On 1 hour, you're still on the same place. Resistance, support. On 30 minutes, let's see what you have on 30 minutes. Now on 1 hour, something I forgot to do here. On 1 hour, I prefer using the wicks. On 1 hour, you're gonna use the wicks there. And on 30 minutes, we have a support, we have a resistance here on 30 minutes. We have a 30 minutes resistance here. You can see that is our resistance here on the 30 minutes. And our support is right here, because support and resistance is just the highs and the lows. Okay, because this is how the market came. Market came up here, formed a high here. These are lower high, and then formed a lower low here. You can see that. So this is our support, this is our resistance, and this is our support. Okay, so on 15 minutes, I like to leave my analysis at 30 minutes. but we can look at 15 minutes, see what we have on 15 minutes. So the same. I would want to trade down here. I would want to trade down there. So let's leave it at 30 minutes. 30 minutes is where I like to leave my analysis at. But you can see we had this, there was this resistance here. On 30 minutes, we had this resistance here. The ATM candle tried to break above the resistance. It couldn't break above. So just to be safe, I could take an aggressive here. You could have an aggressive sell here, an aggressive buy here. And this is how I would take it. I would place it here. And then this would be an aggressive buy here. Aggressive buy. That would be an aggressive buy there. If we get this candle closing above here with this good momentum here, you could take the trade from here, push it all the way up here. But for the safe buys, this is where I would want to take it from. That is for anyone with a high risk appetite. For the safe buys, I would want to take a buy from here. Potential buys above. Potential buys above. Potential buys above. And for the sales, move this one here to the body there. And this is where I would want to take my buys from and my sales from. Potential sales below. Potential sales, potential buys above, potential sales below. So this is how I would take the market today. This is the trade. This is how I would trade the market. This is just my trading idea. It's not advice to trade. I'm just sharing my trading idea and how I'm going to take the markets. So there's that level there. There's that level there. That level there. And there. So that's on the buy side. On the sell side, let's see what levels we could be focusing on. Let's see the levels I should be focusing on the sell side. On the sell side. So on the sell side, we have this level here. We have that level there. We have another level there. There's this level here. And this one here. Okay. So on the sell side, these are the levels I would be focusing on. Okay. So this is what I do on 4 hours. Go back to the 4 hours. So if we get a break above here, I don't know, push the market to this level here, this level here. So a risk to reward ratio of 2R works for me. So for the long position, I would take the market from there. Stop loss just below, and then push it to that level there. But first, I don't wanna see a good break above this level here. A good break above here on the 30 minutes, a good break above here, then I could push the market all the way up here. So I wanna see a good break above there, then I could push the market all the way up here. For the sell side, the short position, I'm taking the market from here. My stop loss would just be above there. Remember, my stop loss is not fixed. Yeah, it depends with the candle that breaks below here. I could either place it above, just above the wick of the candle that breaks above our level here, or above the structure that it forms when as it breaks below. Okay, so that's how I place my stop loss. It's never fixed. So on the sell side, I don't want to push the market down to this level here. There. So let's go back to 30 minutes. Remember, if we leave our analysis at 30 minutes, I don't want to see a 30 minutes candle close above this level. I don't want to see a 30 minutes candle close above that level. And our level is 650. 488, 650. Where is it? I would want to see a candle close above that level if we could push the market all the way up here. But first, I would want to see if we get a good break above this level here, then the confidence to push the market all the way up here will be confirmed. Okay, I'll have enough confidence to push the market all the way up there. So that's what I'm looking at for the buys. Stop loss just around there. You see, even if you take your profit up here, you're already at 2R, a risk to reward ratio of 2. So you could take your profit up here or push the market all the way up here if you get the confirmation, and the confirmation would be a candle closing above with with good bullish momentum. That would be a confirmation to push the market all the way up here. Okay, because here, don't forget, we have this fair value gap, though it has been tapped into. You could still get some rejection up within this level here, within this zone here. Okay, so that's it for the buys. For the sells, I said I don't want to see a candle close below this level here. I don't want to see a candle close below the 390. So I don't want to see a candle close below that level there before I can take the market and push it a risk to reward ratio of 2. Here we're already at 3. We could push the market here, but if we get some good selling pressure, I don't want to take the market all the way down here. But first, take your profit at this level here. Okay, then you could push the market. If you get some good selling pressure, you could push the market all the way here. Okay, so that's what we're looking at today. That's the trade we will be looking at today. Remember, this was just an aggressive buy. If you have a high risk appetite, that's up to you. So remember, trade